Right, welcome back. Mark III Cooper S project. So, where are we at? So last video probably would have been me doing the driver's door glass, which I'm over the moon with. So I've moved everything around. So I'm just going to show you. So basically, what I've got to do, or what I'm going to do today, is what am I going to do today? So I'm just putting odds and sods in. So washer jets, washer bottle, the duct that goes from the front grille to the inner wing. Probably got to take the horn off to get that in. What else can I do? I'm going to get the seats in, and I've got a little confession to make. So obviously I did the headlining ages and ages ago, and it looked fantastic, but what I didn't expect was the rear window rubbers. I thought they were bigger, and they covered the inner part of the paintwork on where they clip in, and it's only when I put the window rubbers in I noticed that they didn't. So you could basically see the headlining finish, because I did it into the top part of the window and not return it down. So you could basically see the headlining and a bit of the colour of the bodywork, and I thought it'd be alright. And every time I looked in there, it was just bugging me. And so I took all the glass out and I replaced it. I am much happier now. It's all done. I will show you in a bit. I'm 100% happy with it now. So yeah. I know it seems silly. I mean, I actually had a spare headlining, so it didn't really cost me anything, but I suppose it did, but it didn't. So yeah, it just got the better of me, I'm afraid. So out it comes. That's sitting over there. It's the old one. So yeah, I'm just going to get some bits done, and then just come back to you, and then probably talk about what else I'm going to show you what I've done, and then talk what's next. So yeah. Right, welcome back. So I just said I'll show you what I've been doing. So we're nearly there. We are getting there. I know it seems to be dragging on, but we are getting there. So I did have to take the horn off to get that in. Obviously the grill out as well, because it's quite tight against. It's not tight against there once it's in, but trying to get it in, that gets in the way. So that's in. I've still got to put the rubbers, the ducts in on the wing, on the inner wing side. On the wheel arch side. But I'll do that when I put it on the ramp to tighten everything up. So washer jets in. They're the single ones. I believe that's correct bottle from the Mini Cooper S book. So what do we got here? So I've got a water leak. Obviously I've not had it running, but don't know how that's happened, but that's obviously coming off again. So once I've done that and sorted that, I'm just going to leave the filter off for now. I've got to give that a good old clean, and then I'll put the filters on and get it tuned. So what else have I done here? So that's pretty much everything in there. I've just put a little bit of heat shrink on the bonnet hook thing. This foam goes in the scuttle gully there, but I'm actually going to do that once I've done all the cleaning. That bonnet needs another going over. all the cleaning, and probably polished, and then I'll stick it in, and then jobs are good. And so, right, yeah, so yeah, so headlining, it was all alright. It was these areas around these two rear windows. You can see now that the headlining goes right down and meets the top of the window frame, and the same on that side. Yeah, 100% happy with that now. The problem with this though, I think that is adjustment. That one stays up, that one don't, which is really annoying. Anyway, so I've taken the rev counter out because it ain't working. I'm sure it was, but it ain't now. I just need to basically take it out and test it, see what's actually wrong with it, whether it's completely gone or whether it ever worked or what. So as you can see, seats in. Brum brum brum, lovely jubbly. I know the steering wheel's not straight, but I've got to centre that. So tip for some of you will probably know, when you mount all the steering column and so on back in position and fit it to the steering column mount that's connected to the dash rail, undo your steering rack bolts to give it a bit of movement. I didn't do that, so I've been here quite a while. I've had to obviously take the steering column off, undo the steering rack bolts to loosen them off. One of the reasons I had to undo the steering column is because the steering column cowl was catching here, so I had to move the outer column down to stop, because that column is actually fixed to the outer column, so that cowl. Yeah, so I didn't actually know you were supposed to do that, so silly me. I saw it on Facebook actually. Yeah, so just bits and bobs. Next up, I'll probably get the door cards on, wing mirrors and the trims, and then all the furniture on both sides, and then it really is just bits and bobs. I've got the heater thing to go on. I was just waiting on that in case the heater needed to come out again, but hopefully not. So that, still got the hose to put back in underneath there, but that's neither here nor there. I've obviously got the fucking annoying. I'm really annoyed about that. It's like that when I bought that. I feel that, I think. I'm unsure. I can't see in pictures whether that is right, the rubber and the bracket, whether it goes on the carpet or under the carpet. Does anyone know for definite? I don't want to cut the carpet to, I mean, in the Mark 1, in the Magic, that just fixed to the floor, and then the carpet, the one in the on the Mark 1s, it hasn't got this square bit here. It's just got this round bit, so the carpet just sort of sits around that, but I can't do that in here because of this bit here. So I'm sure that's right. I'm sure that's how it come out. But saying that, how it come out doesn't necessarily mean how it should be at factory, and I can't see in the book I've got. It just shows a little part of this and not fully how it's attached. So yeah, please let me know. Close, very close. Very close.